welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review of the book Ikigai. So I have talked about this book in one of my videos and then I thought I'd make a review of this. So this is how the book looks like. A lot of people know about this book and a lot of people might have read it also. But then I'd like to give a small review because if you have not read the book, then I would suggest you guys to read this book because it's a beautiful book. It is something I think everybody should have read in their life. So basically this book is written by two people and the names are pretty big. So it's Hector Garcia and Francisc Vireles. Okay, I'll just put it down below. So it's very easy to get it. If you go search Ikigai, then you can easily find it. So I got this from Amazon. So like I said, it's written by two authors and it's like a journey of them to find this place where so many people who have crossed age of 100 lives. Okay, so they go to this place and they ask them questions, they interview these people and they try to find out what is the reason that these people are living for more than 100 years. So this book actually take you through the habits of these people, the kind of food they eat, the kind of amount they eat, and also the kind of activities that they do. It talks about not retiring ever, it talks about always being active, and it even talks about yoga and different other sort of physical activities which are indigenous to particular countries like China or Japan. So it talks about a lot of them, and it talks about the kind of mind and mental state that you should have to keep yourself happy. And it talks about a lot of people and their interviews are even given, what they do and all that. And also they talk about the kind of meat conception that they have. But the most important thing is that they talk about finding your Ikigai. So Ikigai basically means the purpose of your life. So what is the purpose that you get up with? What is the purpose that makes you get out of the bed? For so many people it would be serving the society. So for so many people it would be for teachers it would be teaching, or for so many other professionals it might be their profession. So it depends on people, but that is what they're talking about, the Ikigai, or the purpose that they live with. So there are so many things, and also they talk about community and how it is important to have a community and to have groups and to have celebrations within groups. So it is like how you can live happily till the end of your life. So basically this book talks about how people live longer and happier and healthier. So even in this book it has said that there are people who ride bicycles even at the age of 85. Can we even see one person doing that something like that in India? Very few people can be doing that. And it actually gives us tips on what we can do to improve our lives. Even if it's not 100 years, at least we can live our life till whatever we have happily and peacefully. So it talks a lot about all of these things. It makes you feel like you should be really, really calm. So they even talk about the importance of meditation. I think after starting off with yoga and also reading this book, it has changed the way I look at life. And I think I look at life in a more healthier way. Earlier it always used to be about how I would reach that professional goal and whatever it is I have to reach that and all that. But I think in a certain phase in my life I realized that things are much beyond getting that job or getting that degree or something like that. So it's not like I don't have to get a degree or I don't have to get a job. It's like do things which make you happy, or do things which you can contribute to the society with. I think these are the small learnings that came out of this book to me. And in the end of this book they have actually given a very short summary of all these chapters. The summary is like: stay active, don't retire, take it slow, don't fill your stomach, surround yourself with good friends, get in shape for your next birthday, smile, reconnect with nature, give thanks, live in the moment, follow your Ikigai. So I have not revealed the 100% story. I've just told you how beautiful it is to read this book. I've just given you a glimpse of it. So this book is really, really nice. So if you feel like reading it, then please do give it a read. I think this will make you look at life in a very different way, and this will make you really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So until we meet next time,